Makport Iskenderun, the gate opening to the world for Eastern and Southeastern Anatolia and the Middle East. Limak, which took over the operating rights for TCDD Iskenderun Port at the end of 2011, turned the port into one of the largest and most modern container terminals in the Mediterranean, while completing its first 2.5 years comprehensive investment program. While planning the investment in the port, which is named as Makport Iskenderun, the lack of a close container port for years, especially in Gaziantep and Kahramanmaraş, Adana and Hatay, all our eastern and southeastern provinces, as well as our neighbours Syria, Iraq and Iran's growing needs and growing economic and commercial activities were taken into account. In addition to the container, ro-ro bulk cargo, project cargo, general cargo and livestock loads are also being handled very efficiently and effectively in the port. The diameter of the manoeuvring area was increased to 550 metres in the Makport Iskenderun, which entered to the deep water port category, reached to a water depth of 15.5 metres as a result of implemented scanning works. Thus contained vessels of 367 metres as well as dry cargo vessels of 120,000 DWT can approach to the port. In the port there are breakwater with a length of 1,375 metres, which maintains full protection. 2 linear container piers with an overall length of 922 metres. Finger pier, which can be used bilaterally with a pier length of 250 metres. Closed warehouses of 9,000 square metres, a general purpose warehouse of 2,500 square metres, and CFS warehouse of 3,600 square metres, which have a direct truck and railway connection. Bulk mineral store on an area of 10,000 square metres, protected by a special wind curtain, and a reefer cross dock of 1,000 square metres. The port, which has an area of 1 million square metres and currently 1 million TEU container handling capacity, has the following in addition to machinery and equipments. 4 high-end STS cranes with an access of 20 lines of containers, 2 Liebherr 550 mobile pier winches, 14 modern electrical RTGs, especially designed for handling containers, in the piling sites and reefer towers, prepared for food products and has an important role for regional trading. Railroad transportation is being effectively used in the port. The largest and the most modern waste collection plant was constructed in the port. Being the customs building, which was built specifically for the use of the Iskenderun Customs Directorate, located at 8 gate of the port, enables customs procedures to be carried out quickly. The port, which has a container handling capacity of 1 million TEU per year, will reach 1.3 million TEU per year, with additional machinery and equipment investment to be made in the up-and-coming period. In the following period, in the region known as the Outer Harbour, the following is within the investment plan that will increase the total capacity of the port to 3 million TEU per year. An additional linear container pier with a length of 900 metres, 350,000 square metres storage area, 19 metres water depth, 9 STS cranes with an access to 24 lines of containers, 27 RTG cranes, an additional railroad of 5.4 kilometres, and container winches with a rail system specially designed on such railroad. When this investment is completed, Makport Iskenderun should be able to serve to the biggest container vessels of the world. As the eastern and southeastern regions have reached the port they need for years, other planned investments in the region are aimed at strengthening the integration with the port. These are the Hassa Payas Tunnel project and organised industrial zones, with an overall area of 50 million square metres, to be constructed in Polatlı and with an area of 42 million square meters to be constructed at the entrance to the Hassa side of this tunnel. Thanks to these projects, the road distance to Iskenderun of the whole region, especially Gaziantep and including Iraq, will be shortened significantly, and the Hassa and Polatlı organized industrial zones will be the most important industrial base of the region, will be ensured to be near the port. Makport Iskenderun shall continue to serve as a gate opening to the world for our eastern and southeastern Anatolian regions, as well as Iraq, Syria and Iran. Makport Iskenderun, the gate opening to the world.